how to add a table onto your Wix.com website. So you might think you need to go into Elements and then you just search up tables like this one. But before you can add in a table, you need to add in something called CMS. Once you've added that, and then you can add tables. If you try to add tables without adding CMS first, it'll prompt you to get CMS first. You'll need to add that onto your website, and then you can start messing around with tables. So here, I've added CMS onto my website already. You can do a lot. You can do like collection, data sets, elements, whatever. But the thing after here is, of course, tables. So let's just search that on the search bar here. Let's just search table, and then there's table right there. There's a couple of presets you can use. I'll just use this simple one right here. Just click that and then drag and drop onto your website. And that's essentially the tables you want on your website. So if I want to change the elements or the value inside the table, just change this. Maybe like edit label, LP, edit label, LP 2017 instead. And on the location, LP, stuff. The tickets will be, hey man, I don't know why, don't ask. You can also add columns if you want, so add another one here. It'll be something like that. It'll just be the preset data right there. Once you're added the table onto your website, you can start messing around with it. You can change the value inside of it, etc., etc. You'll get the hang of it. But anyways, that is how you add tables onto your Wix.com website. It's as easy as that.